Morning everyone, welcome to another video at balnarring. It's Thursday morning, it's about 8 AM. It's particularly cold this morning, it's 8 degrees currently, so it's nice and fresh. I've got my coffee, trying to warm up. Anyway, today I'm going to site. I'm meeting the electricians here. We're going to start their electrical roughing, to start running their cables and stuff, getting their power points and light switches and all that kind of stuff in the right spot. We've also had a window delivery, which is pretty good. There they all are there. Normally we get them installed straight away, but we've had our scaffolding installed as well, and some of their scaff goes through the windows. There's our little helper, Jasper, comes along with us. So yeah, our scaffolding was installed. So if I can get outside, I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty. So we've got a 2-plank scaffolding system, and what that 2-plank refers to is quite literally just 2 planks of scaffold next to each other. So they'll be able to do the fascia and gutter off it and feel safe, and then they'll lay the roof after that. So that all should be happening fairly shortly. I think fascia and gutter is tomorrow morning. You see down there all the way down. I wonder if I can get up. We can have a look. I reckon we can, can't you? Let's try and get up. It's going to be hard with a coffee and a camera in hand, but let's see what we can do. We should make this easier. Alright, I'm up on the roof. See, up on the roof. So yeah, maybe I'll do the fascia and gutter off this. Up here, that's where the valley is. So this is the church that we're adding on the extension. So all this roof's going to be getting taken off. New fascia, new gutter. That's quite a steep pitch. It's around 45 degrees, I think, which is very steep. This other section here is 30 degrees, and this is like 6 degrees or something. But yeah, so it's quite a nice sunrise going on this morning, so I might try and get over the other side so we can have a look at that. Now let me know if you're liking these job updates. You know, I'm fairly new to this YouTube thing, and I'm just trying to find something that people want to watch, you know. Oh, that's lovely. So that's what it's like. Lovely morning here. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll give you some more updates soon. See ya.